castle was built by the Habsburgs, who ruled this area for 400 years before the end of World War I. You can see Habsburgs were the rulers of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, so you can see the incredible design of these buildings are just like you see in Vienna in Austria. I remember seeing these last year when I was in the capital of Austria. This is the main cathedral in the castle complex. There's a lot of security around because the president is based here. That's where his offices are, not in this cathedral, but in the castle complex. You can see the balcony behind me there. Just above it was the president's office. So it turns out that he does work here. He doesn't live here, but he does work here. He visits on state occasions and important events. This is the Basilica of St. George. It's the oldest building here in the castle complex. Inside, it's of the style of Romanesque. Apparently, if you touch the statue over there, you'll get good luck in fertility. Let's go and take a closer look. My goodness. You can see where people have been touching. This is a place called Golden Lane, which is where the marksmen used to live that guarded the castle in medieval times. You can see all of the doors are smaller than you would expect to see these days. It's when people were generally a lot smaller than they are now. So we've just finished the castle tour. It's really good, lasted 3 hours, and we've ended up at a spot in which we get an incredible overview of the city.